Healthline Champions. Welcome to our Healthline Champions Solutions channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of health and wellness. If you're looking for practical tips, insightful information, and effective remedies to improve your well-being, you've come to the right place. From natural remedies to lifestyle changes, we explore a wide range of topics to help you lead a healthier life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest videos, packed with valuable health advice. Are you looking for a natural remedy for your skin and hair? Castor oil might be the answer. This powerful oil has been used for centuries for its numerous benefits. Here are 7 reasons why you should consider using castor oil before bed. Number 1. Castor oil is rich in nutrients like fatty acids, which can help nourish and hydrate your skin. By applying it before bed, you give it time to deeply penetrate your skin overnight. This can result in a smoother and more radiant complexion. Number 2. Castor oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great option for soothing irritated skin conditions like eczema or dermatitis. Its moisturizing properties can also help relieve dry and itchy skin. Number 3. Using castor oil on your hair before bed can help improve hair health. It can nourish the scalp, strengthen the hair shaft, and promote healthy hair growth. Number 4. If you struggle with acne, castor oil's antibacterial properties can help fight off acne-causing bacteria. It can also help reduce inflammation associated with breakouts. Number 5. Castor oil is a popular choice for promoting eyelash and eyebrow growth. Applying it to your lashes and brows before bed can help nourish the hair follicles and support fuller, longer lashes and brows. Number 6. The omega-6 fatty acids in castor oil can help stimulate hair follicles, potentially leading to thicker hair over time. Number 7. By using castor oil before bed, you allow it to work its magic overnight without any interference from external factors. Plus, the oil's thick consistency creates a protective barrier on your skin, sealing in moisture. Whether you're looking to improve your skin, hair, or overall well-being, incorporating castor oil into your bedtime routine may just be the ticket to achieving healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Join our community and embark on a journey to a better, happier, and more vibrant you. Subscribe now for more related health remedy solutions.